Today we'll see about the first unit poem Once Upon a Time. Gabriel Okara's poem Once Upon a Time is about the insincerity of relationships and manners prevailing in the present day world. According to the poet, the past is better than the present because there were love, sincerity, and faithfulness in the past. Now that at present everything has changed, hence the poet wants to relive the past. Now let's see about the poet Gabriel Okara. Gabriel Okara was born in 1921. He is a Nigerian poet and novelist. His poem The Call of the River Nun won the Best Award for Literature at the Nigerian Festival of Arts in 1953. He was honored with the Commonwealth Poetry Award. Okara's typical poem trances from everyday reality to moments of delight and moves back to the reality, making a complete circle. His first novel, The Voice, is an outstanding linguistic experiment. His later works include a collection of poems, The Fisherman's Invocation, and two books for children, Little Snake and Little Frog, and An Adventure to Juju Island. Let me give a brief summary of this poem Once Upon a Time. The poem Once Upon a Time is written as though a father is talking to his son. In olden days, the people used to laugh with their hearts and eyes. That is, there was honesty in what they said and did. In the present, people greet each other with only artificial and fake laugh without any emotions or good feelings. Their eyes are lacking of feeling of warmth or enduring expression. The people have become money minded and naturally develop their relationships with the rich. Even when shaking hands with others, they are very artificial. Guests are no longer welcome these days. They are given a warm reception only once or twice. If they visit their friends or relatives thrice or more number of days, the doors are shut on to them. In this materialistic and artificial world, the poet has learnt many things, especially wearing many faces like putting on many dresses. All are fixed like a portrait smile. As this is the way of the world, the poet has also learnt laughter with teeth, the art of saying goodbye when he means good riddance, glad to meet you when he was not glad, and nice talking to you when bored. The poet wants to be like his son with all excellent conduct. He himself becomes the victim of the present, showing the fangs of a snake. At the end of the poem, the poet appeals to his son to show him how to smile wholeheartedly. And the desire to relive the past is nothing but a longing for the innocence, faithfulness, and sincerity.